Unraveling English. Understanding, fix a leak. Hello and welcome, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a common English expression, fix a leak. Whether it's water dripping from a pipe or a sneaky draft in your home, fixing a leak is all about solving problems. Let's explore what this phrase means and how to use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, fix a leak, literally means to repair a breach or hole where liquid or gas is unintentionally escaping. Commonly, this refers to plumbing issues, like a dripping faucet or a leaking pipe. It's a practical skill, often requiring a set of tools and some know-how. Figuratively, fixing a leak can refer to identifying and solving any kind of problem. It might be a security flaw in software, a gap in one's knowledge, or a secret getting out. When used in this sense, it's about addressing and resolving issues that are causing harm or inconvenience. Let's see how to use fix a leak in sentences. Literal, I need to fix the leak under the sink before the whole kitchen floods. Figurative, our team needs to fix a leak in our game strategy to win the next match. Other expressions similar to fix a leak include patch things up. This can refer to repairing relationships or making up after a disagreement. Plug a hole, often used in financial contexts, meaning to address a deficit or shortage. Seal a gap. This might be used when talking about improving insulation in a house or bridging a gap in understanding. And that wraps up our exploration of fix a leak. Remember, whether it's stopping water from dripping or preventing information from slipping, fixing a leak is about restoring order and integrity. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.